Tools and equipment needed for changing the power cord: 3/8-inch nut runner, Phillips head screwdriver, a regular screwdriver, channel locks or pliers, and a new power cord. First, disconnect your Thermodyne unit from its power source and allow cooling to a safe temperature, or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the right side panel of the Thermodyne unit and set it to the side. Next, you will remove the power head lid on top of the Thermodyne unit. Here you will notice the power cord connected to the contactor. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, disconnect the two screws connecting the power cord to the contactor.
You will also need to remove the screws securing the green ground wire to the unit's chassis using your 3/8-inch nut runner.
If you're working on a 208-240 volt unit, you will also need to remove the neutral white wire from the neutral block using your flathead screwdriver. Using the channel locks or pliers, loosen the strain relief located at the rear of the unit. Simply feed the old cord through the unit and out the back. When replacing the power cord, reposition the cord throughout the unit, securely tightening the strain relief. For larger Thermodyne units, you may need to refer to the unit's schematic in order to properly connect the new power cord. You may now restore power to the unit and verify proper functionality. Finally, remove the unit from its power supply and reattach the power head lid and side panel.